Hi, this is Kirk Mickelson with KRM Development and Tanzanite Homes. I'm standing in the Ashworth Acres development in Waukee. This is on the far west part of Waukee. We currently have a couple of lots available in plats 1 and 2, and then behind me we have about 14 walkout lots coming online the end of July in plat 3 of this development. We're currently building our Tanzanite Select and our Tanzanite Silver Series in this project. It's super close proximity to the new Sugar Creek Elementary that's going to be opening soon. It's actually in this neighborhood, and about 10 minutes from the Waukee Middle School and the Waukee High School. Close proximity to Interstate 80, as well as lots of parks, trail systems, and other amenities, and we're about 25 minutes west of downtown. If you feel that Tanzanite Homes would be a good fit for you in this development, please reach out to us through our website or give us a call at the office. Thank you.